Hi everyone, welcome to my finished project for my capstone. Here we have, it was originally going to be a 4 effect analog guitar pedal, but due to size constraints I wasn't able to fit that last effect in there. Some news on this is that I was not able to get the PCB printed that I wanted, so I went ahead and it was last minute. I made an attempt to make, well, this is a completed fuzz circuit, but when I was doing this, I tried doing the other effects, but I just, the size of the, the size of the strip board that I would need for something like that, it was pretty big, because I was making more than, I think the max, like the largest size I had on one of the boards was, there was 30, I think 30 rows. No, it was 22 rows. I'm pretty sure. I could be wrong. But it was just the one that I could get within the next day shipping. But I really couldn't find any other effect that was this size. Not this size, but that was smaller than what I needed. And the only ones I could find were really just the digital effects, so I couldn't really fit an analog delay or chorus on one of these little ones, but I'm pretty sure there are ones that are bigger. I got this one from Mouser. It was, well, I think it was a 20 by 24, I could be wrong, but that was the only size that they had that I could find. That was in stock anyways with the next day shipping. But as a backup plan, I got boards that are kind of like these. This is one that I just started messing with just so I could kind of get used to soldering on them. They don't look too bad, but I got this board from pedalpcb.com. They make really cool boards, clones. So I got one that was it was similar to the effect that this one was. I'm pretty sure it was almost the exact same effect, besides instead of making it to where I made it to where you could control the volume on the board instead of it being the level, which the level is on one of these. But it was this one, and it was the original effect that I did for the modulation was the phaser and vibrato. I got that board, and then I got another chorus board. Oh, sorry about that. My daughter's sick. Where was I? I was doing a phaser and vibrato effect. That was, it is the one that I was doing. There's the, I probably should label these. Oh, sorry about that. My daughter's sick. Where was I? I was doing a phaser and vibrato effect. That was, it is the one that I was doing. There's the, I probably should label these. Okay, so we have
the level, that kind of looks like a V, but it's level. And then top and fuzz for the fuzz circuit. And then over on the chorus circuit, we have the lag, depth, rate, and blend. And this switch right here changes the signal of the wave that's coming out of it from a square wave to a triangle wave. Then over on this side, we have the modulation, which is the phaser and vibrato. We have the rate, the resonance, the sweep, the depth, and right here it is the rate, or not the rate, but the range at which the rate goes. So it's, and when it's in the center, it's just going off of ones, and then it goes by 10 when it's down, and then when it's up, it goes by 100. And then this switch right here changes it from tremolo to vibrato. Oh, I'm sorry, it's a phaser to vibrato.
I have not powered this up yet, so this is test 1. I am now applying power. Okay, so powered up. It currently has 9 volts going to it. I'm going to switch the power. Okay, power is applied. Now, let's see if a signal is going through it without anything being on. Okay, so I think the cause of that problem was one of the bypass switches. it was not making contact with one of the other ones that were in there, but I got it all fixed up, and as you can hear, it's coming through the guitar now. Let me just get all these back on, and then we will continue. Okay, now power test 2. I'm going to apply 9 volts. All right. All right, still coming through, and okay. All right, now let's try the fuzz. Okay, well that's a bummer. Let's see if the other ones work. I have an idea. Okay, so I think the problem was that I didn't have the bottom of this insulated that well. So I think it was just kind of shorting out into the enclosure. Okay, so usually 3rd time's a charm. Let's try power test number 3, 9 volts. Okay. And, all right, power is on. Now, see if we can make some smoke. But first, let's do an audio check. Okay, still working. And, ooh, okay. So this light right here, that means I put it on the center of the astronaut just to show that it has life. But the red light means that power's applied. Okay. Okay, cool. Sound's still going through. All right, now let's try the fuzz. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. That sounds awesome. That sounds nice. That sounds kind of like a distortion. All right, now let's try the chorus. Okay, so it does not. Oh, there we go. Okay, so the rate kind of changes the speed at which it goes. Oh, okay, so maybe the... Oh, okay. So I think I might have these LEDs wired weird, because this one right here is supposed to show the rate, and this one right here is just supposed to show that it has power that's applied. Yeah, let's crank that up. Ooh, wobbly. All right, well, let's move on. That's fun, though. Okay. That's pretty cool. Felt like a heartbeat. Okay, there we go. Now, let's do one of my favorite effects. This is the phaser. Okay. How am I getting sound through that? Let's put it midway through. Ooh. Spacey. Okay, I think that might be the tremolo. Okay, there, that's the phaser. Okay, now let's try a phaser with chorus. Now let's try it all together. This is probably not going to sound very good. That does sound kind of cool. And well, gents, that's it. Now, back to the other stuff.